Question somni le pakhatna enila. The mean average weight of 6 boys is 48 kg. If the individual weights of 5 of them are 51, 45, 49, 46, and 44, then the weight of 6 boy he kan zon chu tu ni tani. The weight of 6 boy. The chuanin mean average formula chuanin mean average chuanin total weight of boys divided by total number of boys. Total weight of boys divided by total number of boys. Total weight of boys to 51 plus 45 plus 49 plus 46 plus 44 1 2 3 4 5 ani amero chu a 6 na hi pelo tatlat mai ni divided by total number of boys swing sang kan ti chuanin 6 ani 6 kan tri a ti chuanin let the weight of 6 boy is x nita se ti chuanin heta hianin x kan da don ta ni ti chuanin mean average kan hmuwa mean average 48 ania ti chuanin mean average hianin 48 kan da nga chu 48 is equal to 235 plus x divided by 6 x to 48 into 6 minus 235 ani dona ni ti chuanin x to 53 hi 6 boy a weight ani don ta ni x is equal to 53 ta hianin 53 ani don ta ni ti chuan answer to option D ani. Question number somni le panina kalila. The present population of a town is 35280. If it increased at the rate of 5% per annum, what was its population 2 years ago? Population 2 years ago kan zon turani. Chuanin given to present population apea formula kan nei chu a is equal to p 1 plus r 100 power t ani. Chuanin a hi ania present population hi a ania a rate to hi 5% ania tin 2 years ago t time ani don ani. Chuanin kan substitute nga 35280 is equal to p hi population 2 years ago ani done kan zon chu tur berani p hi chuanin 1 plus r2 kan tria 5% ani a t2 2 ani chuanin 35280 is equal to p 1 plus 0.05 square. 35280 is equal to 1.05 whole square. The chuanin p is equal to 35280 divided by 1.05 whole square. The chuanin p value to 32000 ani. The chuanin population 2 years ago kan zon chu tur chu 3200 ani. chu option C. Question number 23 and leila two men starting from the same point walk at the rate of 4 km per hour and 4.2 km per hour respectively. If they walk in opposite direction, then the distance between them at the end of 4 hours is ditani. Two men chu A le B lo nita se hai hi first one nita se hai hi second man lo nita se tichuanin hai hi starting point lo ni bok ta se a starting point lo ni se tichuanin kan hriat tu chu pakhat hi 4 km per hour in A hi tlan ani A hi 4 km per hour in darkar khata 4 km chakin akala B ve thungi chu 4.5 km per hour in akala ni chuanin opposite direction na ankal chuanin darkar li hnuah khan an mani distance an mani in kar thla zong kha ingza nge ni titani chumi omzia chu hi hetlampang hi A kalna ni ta se helampang hi B kalna ni ta se opposite in akal don ta B hi chu tichuanin A hi hetlampang a hen akala tichuanin A hi kan hre tangin 4 km per hour ni ani chuanin 4 km per hour akal chuanin darkar khata 4 km ni chuanin darkar li hnua chuan 4 into 4 chu 16 km akal don ani chuanin B ve thung hi 4.5 km per hour in akala darkar khata 4.5 ani chuanin darkar li hnua chuanin zane kan ti chuanin 18 km akal ve thung ta ni ai starting point ta se ti chuanin darkar li hnua khan 18 ani anga helampang hi 16 don ta ni anin kar thla zong kan hre du chuan kan plus anga chuanin answer chu 34 km ani don ani hetlai tanga hetlai in kar thla zong chu 18 le 16 kan plus anga chuanin 34 on chok don ni answer chu option A ani. Question number 24 and leila how long does a train 200 meter long running at the speed of 80 km per hour to take to cross an electric pole atini tichuan chokle don chinta ila question akan hmuang hianin given a hian train sei zong chu train length ani mai chu distance the pony thayanga chu 200 meter ani ta a chuanin speed kan bok ta ni speed chu 80 km per hour kan hmuta ni hi electric pole lo ni ta sela electric pole lo ni ta sela train meter zahnia thui 200 meter thui kha tian atlanta ni chumi chuan helai electric pole kha engtia rei nge ahmanang hemi electric pole hi tlan pel turin cross turin tin tani chumi omzia chu train hi meter zahni ani chuanin hemi cross tur chuan a distance ngai chu zahni ani mai ta a length kha zahni ni tani zahni khan meter zahni khan hemi electric pole apel hun chung a reizong kha kan zon chho turan mai ni speed po hi pe a chuwang chuanin a time kha kan zon ngai tani ti chuanin speed distance le time formula kan neya chu speed is equal to distance by time kan nei hemi formula hi kan nei ta a ti chuanin speed hi kan zon chu speed hi kan nei ta a distance po kan nei time hi kan zon chu tur ani ta ni chumi ma chuanin conversion an ti lokela distance hi zahni meter zahni ni ta a speed hi 80 km/h ni ta ni 80 km/h hi meter per second in kan chan ti ranga chumi ni don chon 80 km khata hian meter sang khat oma sang khatin kan punti ranga divided by hour chu 60 minute ni ta second kan chan ti le don chon 16 kan punti lenga chuanin alo chuak chu 200 by 9 alo chuak ta ni hi speed hi kilometer ni to alowin meter per second ani don ta ni ju speed ani don ta ni ti chuanin ta hian kan substitute nga speed chu 200 by 9 ani ta is equal to distance to 200 meter ania time chuanin time chu 200 by 200 into 9 by 200 kan selanga chuanin 9 second alo chuak ta a chu option C ani hemi rail meter zahnia thui hian kilometer khat kilometer darkar khata kilometer somriat achaka akal chuanin hemi electric pole va pel tur completely ava tlan pel tur chuanin second kuwa ammo ti na ni chu question 25 and Leila a gun is fired at a distance of 1.3 km from rover he hears the sound 4 seconds later the speed of the sound is atitani speed of sound hi kan zon chu turani a speed of sound kan zon chu turani ti chuanin formula kan hri a speed is equal to distance by time kan hri ani chuanin heta hian give pe ka tang hianin kan substitute nga speed of sound s hi kan zon tur ni ta a s is equal to d by t distance to 1.3 kilometer ania kilometer hi meter kan chan tir chuanin 1000 kan punti ranga divided by 4 second ani chuanin 4 4250 330 meter per second 330 meter per second to option A ani question number 26 and Taila a man can do a piece of work in 5 days but with the help of his son he can do it in 3 days in what time can the son do it alone ta hian given a hianin a man hi A lo ni ta se chuanin son hi his son hi B lo ni ta se man khan ama in ninga chungin hna zowa chuanin afapa nen ani chuanin A plus B yang lo ni ta afapa nen khanin an tho khanin ni thuman zo theini chuanin B chau afapa son chau khan apa nang khathok se ni engza nge zoang ti kha question anitani ronin tian kan chokanga kan hre tu chu time le work done time versus work done hi kan hre ta pai mo tin time is inversely proportional to time is inversely proportional to work done ani chumum zia chu time atam chuanin work done atlema time atlem chuanin work done kha atam don tinani a in kal tinani chu chu hre rangin tian awesome zongin chok maila athu kha ziak vak lo maila apa khan a man can do a works day ti maila a works ta ti mai taila in work done ni chuan time ani chuan 1/5 ani don ta ni 1/5 days a chan chu time le work done hi in inversely proportional ni wang khanin work done hi kan ti chuanin 1/5 alo ni don ani chuanin a plus b's work ani chuanin 1/3 days alo ni lenga chuanin b works kan zon don chuanin 1 - 3 divided by 1 - 5 ani mai don ani chumem se chu a plus b men le afapa kami tho kami work done minus apa chau tho kha ti chuanin b tho hi ron chuak don tin ani chu ti chuanin 1/3 a plus b's work minus 1/5 ti chu a's work kan minus a ti chuanin 15 5 minus 3 2/15 chu 2/15 ani ta hei hi nge kan zonton kan ti chuanin hei work ani ta ni work ani a time heta hian time can do alone ani ta ni time kan zonton chuanin china kan soeng khanin time inversely proportional to work done ani chuwang chuanin time kan zonton chuanin hei work done ani ta time kan zonton chuanin hei kan let tanga chumim se chu 1/w chu 1/2/15 lo nianga chu 15/2 chu 7.5 emo tlama hian kaltir taila 15/2 time hi 7.5 taponi boka tin 2 in kan divide chuanin ahmun som ahmun sari som pali 1 anitani chu 7 1/2 ani chu option b hi answer ani 27 and Leila A can do a work in 15 days and B in 20 days if they work on it together for 4 days. Then the fraction of the work that is left is titani. Solution. Ta hianin A hian ni som panga na zo theya B hian ni som nia zo the ni ti chuan A le B hian an thok dun ta a ti chuanin nili chungin na hin zo the ta ni ti chuanin then the fraction of the work that is left is tani. Sorry heta hian nili chung an tho dun chuanin nili chung thok dun ta sela ti chuanin A in ni som panga a zo thei le B in ni som nia zo thei kha A le B te pani khan nili chung thok dun ta se an zo thei ngem nge exact portion nge la left ang atitani chu a portion left to kha kan zon tur tani ti chuanin solution ti taila as 1 day work anti deuh kher taila chu 1/15 ani don tani ti chuanin B's 1 day work 1 by 23 zia chu ni chinga kan suang khanin heta hian days aron pe ni days chu time anita epo hi time be thoni ta ni ero chu work a kan convert chuanin time is inversely proportional to work done ani wang khanin heta hian time ron pe a work done kan chantir chuanin work done inversely proportional to 1 by time thoni ta ni chuwangin 1 by 15 ani don ta ni a work done anga kan convert chuanin heta po hianin as 1 days work chu 1 by 15 anita b's 1 days work chu 20 days hi work a chuanin 1 by 20 lo ni don ta ni a in kokal chi ani ti chuanin as a plus b's 1 day work zong don ta ila chu 1 by 15 plus 1 by 23 ani don ani chu 63 plus 4 plus 3 ani mo chu 7 by 60 alo ni ta chuanin a and b's 4 days work chu 7 by 60 into 4 alo ni don ta ni chu 28 by 60 is equal to chokte ta ila 7 in 7 te kati panga pali in 7 by 15 alo ni don ta ni 7 by 15 hi a le b in nili nan tho dun khan 7 by 15 works ei works ni to don ni time ni lawin ani ta ni ti chuanin works left kan zong don ta ni ta hian ti le mai la works left zong chok tur chuanin enge kan mamo kan ti chuanin 1 minus 7 by 15 chu 15 minus 7 by 15 chu 8 by 15 ani ta ni hi time ni lawin works 7 by 15 tiani tikhani an khai khom taila a hian 1 by 15 works ni khata na thoka b hian 1 by 20 works thoka chun a le b hian nili an thokanin works done chu 7 by 15 tani amero chu nan la zo lo ta mun sari thena mun sompanga chauka sompanga thena mun sari chauka an la zo tani chunin an la zo lo chu works left chu 8 by 15 works kha left ani tani answer chu 8 by 15 option C ani question number 28 a pipe can fill a tank in 16 hours due to leak in the bottom it is filled in 24 hours if the tank is full how much time will the leak take to empty it titani tihianin chocolate ta ila actual time taken by tank 16 hours ani a pipe can fill a tank in 16 hours antani 16 hour khan pipe tank kha filled ani tani 16 hour dar ka samparuk chungin kami tank kha fill up ani ta tichuanin amount of water filled in 1 hour tile taila amount of water filled in 1 hour to 1 by 16 ani don tani chuanin time taken due to leakage time taken due to leakage chu 24 hour ni don tani. Amount of water filled. Amount of water filled in 1 hour to 1 by 24. Ani nga chuanin kan zon du ber. How much time will the leak take to empty it? Time tho ni ta kan zon tur hi. Time taken to empty tank completely. 1 by 16 hemi hi 1 by 16 minus 1 by 24 1 by 48 anitani. Ti chuanin kan hria how much time the leak take to empty it ti nitani 48 ai ti anitani. Ti chuanin answer to A. Question number 29. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. The smaller number is titani. Chok don ta ila let A and B be two numbers. Let A and B be two numbers. Nta say given here the difference between the two numbers is 26 and tani. Chutini chuanin A minus B and difference ka 26 ti na ani phot maya. Di chuanin pek le chuan one number is 3 times the other atitani. One number is 3 times the other ta chumi omja chu antenan A hi 3 times the other ni ta say A hi B I hianin 3 times sinalian ti na don tani. Di chuanin a smaller one to B lo ni don tani. Chuanin kan substitute nga eta kan hria chu A minus B 26 ani tani. Ti chuanin A hi 3B ani chuanin 3 times B ani chuanin B is equal to 26 ani nga 2B is equal to 26 B to 13 ani don tani. Ti chuan B hi 13 ani nga B kan hmu chuak ta a. Ti chuanin heta kan hmu chu A is 3B ani tani. Chuanin A kan zon don chuanin 3 into B to 13 39 chu A ani tani. Ti chuanin heta hianin kan zon tur chu the smaller number atitani. Smaller number chu A anita. Story B nita smaller number chu ta hian A le B nita se A hi 39 B hi 13 anita ni. Chuanin smaller number B to 13. Answer C ani. The 105th trump of the AP 12 17 22 ... is tintani. 105th trump hi kan zon tur ani tani. AP formula kan hria nga hei chu a formula apply kha ani deuh top maya. AP is equal to 12 17 22 ... tani. It's one in common difference D to 5 ania. Epo hi 22 minus 17 to 5 thau ani. It's one in common difference hi 5 ania. It's one in 12 hi A ania nga to first term ani do ne. chuan in AP formula kan apply nga chu AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D anitani chuan in A hi first term khania 12 ania 12 hi first term A ania and difference common difference D to 5 ani 17 minus 12 5 22 minus 17 5 common difference 5 ani to D ni ta plus N to A zale panga hi ni kan son tur chu hetami hi 105 term 105 ani ta chu N a hian kan substitute nga 105 minus 1 D to 5 ani tani chuan in 12 plus 104 into 5 to 12 plus 520 to 532 A105 term to 532 ani hi first term second term third term ani atena kalzelanga 105 term to 532 ani don tinani chu answer to A